Hello everyone. In this today's video lecture, Practical Geometry, we are going to learn some special cases. Actually, till this video lecture, we have learned the construction of various types, but those all were of the general quadrilateral. But in this video lecture, we are going to learn some special cases. So what mean by special cases? There are some specific types are there in the quadrilateral. The first type is that is square. So what mean by square? Square means such a quadrilateral which having all the four sides as equal. Four sides are equal there. Okay. So such kind of quadrilateral which having all the four sides are equal, that is known as your square. So let's take the example. Construct a square ABCD having the side as 4.5 centimeter. To draw the construction, what we will do? First we will draw the rough figure. As we drawn here, ABCD, every side is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And one more, the property of the square is there. All sides are equal and every angle should be 90 degree. Okay, so let's start the construction. So first take any one side as the base. Now we'll take BC as your base, 4.5 centimeter. So drop 4.5 centimeter. We will give the names as B and C. And as you know the property, every angle is 90 degree. So we will draw the two perpendicular at point B and point C with the help of protractor. 90 degree perpendicular should be there, that is 90 degree you can say. With the help of set square also you can do this. We will draw the two perpendiculars at point B and point C. Now very simple, open the compass of 4.5 centimeter and cut this both the perpendiculars at 4.5 from point B and point C like this, and join this point of intersections. So here the construction of square ABCD will be completed. Now one more type of special quadrilateral is there, that is rectangle. So what is the rectangle? So it is such a kind of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are having the equal length. Okay, in the square what we have seen there, in the square, see in the square what we see have in the screen, that is a square, we have seen that is all sides are equal. But in rectangle it is not like that. The opposite side will be equals. Okay, so opposite sides will be equal and the measure of angle of every angle will be was 90 degree. Okay, so now we will construct the rectangle which having the adjacent side as 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So for that sake we have drawn the rough figure here, that is PQRS. In this QR is yours 5 centimeter and PQ is yours 4 centimeter there. And what we have told already, opposite sides are equal. So whatever the PQ is there, that much will become yours RS will become, and whatever will be QR there, that much will become yours PS will become there. Okay, so let's start the construction first. First draw the base as QR 5 centimeter. QR like this will be your base. Give the names as Q and R. As we seen that the every angle should be 90 degree, we will draw the perpendicular at both the points, at point Q and point R. Okay, draw the perpendiculars here. Draw the perpendiculars. Okay, now the PQ and RS both are 4 centimeter. So open the compass of 4 centimeter and cut this perpendicular at 4 centimeter. both the perpendiculars have to cut like this. Now you no need to cut, otherwise automatically will become, otherwise you can cut also. That is, you have to show as PS. Open the compass of 5 centimeter, keep on pointer point P and take the intersection point. Take the intersection point. Yes, you will get the intersection point here. Actually it will get automatically, but you can do like this also. And join this point of intersection, that is yours rectangle PQRS will be complete here. The construction of rectangle PQRS will be completed. I hope you understood this construction very well. In the next video lecture, we will learn some another special kind of quadrilateral.